Good morning, afternoon from Fire Wrench Garage. Today we're looking at the second part of our Honda 350 SL project. The bike that you're looking at today is actually going to be our parts bike. There's a lot of parts on that original bike that we were going to restore. That had some parts that just weren't available and or not as in good a shape as what's on this parts bike. So just going to take a quick look around this one. First thing, of course, on this one, the rims are in perfect shape. The other ones that we have a lot of rust and really couldn't be used anymore. And then, of course, the tires on here, there's a little bit of dry rot. But for the most part, I mean, you can even tell that the knobs really haven't even been worn off yet, so that's kind of nice. The rear fender is in perfect shape. It's still got some nice shine to it. So that looks pretty good. This tank we're not using. We've already got a replacement tank. This one's been repainted a billion times, I think. This particular bike has got 9,681 miles on it. So this one's been rode quite a bit as well. The bars are in pretty decent shape. Have to see how they look once we get them Brillo padded and polished and see if some of that rust will come off. But most likely we'll have to get those re-chromed or find some new ones. And then the front fender, that's in really good shape too. One little dinger in the front, but I think we can get that hammered out. And then the front rim, that's in really good shape too. A few little rust spots here and there, but those will polish right out, no problem. And then the front tire, once again, you can still see some of the original manufacturing marks on it. So that doesn't have very many miles on it too. It's got a little bit of dry rot. We'll have to see once we get it pumped up, but how good or bad it really is. And then there's a partial air box. We needed that for the other bike. Probably I'll have to fab up some parts for it. This one's missing the outside cover. The carbs are free, so that's good. So just in case we have some issues with the other carbs, we can replace or grab some parts from these or vice versa. Timing cover caps, those are in really good shape, no issues. I haven't tested this one yet to see if it's free, but most likely it is. The frame on this is in really good shape. Actually a little bit better than the original bikes. We may use the frame from this one. And there's the information if anybody wanted to look it up. It's the same bike, Honda SL 350. So this is just part 2 of our series that we'll be getting to. We got this one the other day and wanted to share it with everybody. Like I said, it's a pretty nice looking bike, especially for a donor. I think there's going to be a lot of parts that we'll be able to use off of this one to take both of them and make it into one really nice bike. There she is. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with part 3. Have a great day.